Alright, this video for 1HT and 1VT about what we're going to do in the week of January 18th. The week of January 18th is also the last week of the second period, so I want to give you an assignment that counts for a mark and it counts 2 times. This is a good way for some people need a good mark, because their average for math is a little low maybe. This is a good way to get a good mark. The second period and the first period we worked out of this book. This is part 1, and the third and the fourth period we're going to work out of part 2, right? So we're nice on schedule because we just finished chapter 5, right? The previous week you made the diagnostic test and the revision and all of that. So what I want you to do this week, I want you to take a look at chapter 5, and I want you to make a summary. It needs to be a bit on a poster form, so that, the nicest one I want to put in my classroom, so that next year students can look at it and then they see what they're going to learn. Right, so what I want you to do, and I hope everybody has paper at home. Otherwise, you can also use your notebook, because if you open your notebook, you also have A3 paper, right? Because all the non-essential shops are closed. I don't know. I think you can buy it at the supermarket also. I don't know. But you have 2 papers, so you're going to stick them together. And then you have an A3 paper, right? And on that, I want you to make a nice summary, but I also want you to make it look nice, with some colors and some drawings and all of that. So you're going to take a look at what the different subjects are that we have in chapter 5, right? Because there are a lot of different things. It's all about arithmetic, but we have percentages, and we have rounding off, and we have this new thing, which was difficult, right? It was proportional and reversely proportional relationships, it was difficult. We have ratios, so I want all of that to be in your poster. But for example, you can here we have percentages here somewhere. Yeah, we have percentages. So you can do a nice little story about percentages. You explain how it goes, right? So there's a little explanation, and then there's a little example next to it. And then you're going to use some colors and to make it look nice. And then you have a very nice poster summary thing. And then you're going to get a mark for it. And the best ones I'm going to put in my classroom, so it looks nice. So if your one is one of the best, then it can be displayed to everyone. So I think hopefully this assignment is clear to everyone. We're going to spend 3 lessons on it. Okay, so that means you have 3 times 40 minutes to make it. If it's not enough time, then we'll figure it out. We can use another lesson for it. But then at the end of the week, I want you to hand it in. And then I'm going to check it in the weekend, and then you get a mark for it. That counts for the second period. And then hopefully everybody is happy. Now, if you have a question, I'm going to type this whole story out in Magister also. But if you have a question, let me know, because then I can explain it to you again, or we can video call or whatever. Right. So, bye-bye.